I'm Lori Holyfield, and I'm an attorney primarily practicing in and around Shelby County, Tennessee. This video is part of a series I'm doing on Tennessee divorce myths that will not die. The first myth I want to address is that Tennessee is a no-fault divorce state. This is not true. Ordinarily, you must assert grounds for divorce in order to obtain a divorce in Tennessee. There is one and only one exception. If the parties enter into what's called a marital dissolution agreement, then they can obtain a divorce on the ground of irreconcilable differences, which is not fault-based. A marital dissolution agreement is a contract that divides the debts and assets of the parties in what they consider to be a fair and equitable manner. Now, many divorces will begin on a fault-based ground and will resolve on the ground of irreconcilable differences when the parties enter into a marital dissolution agreement. I would say this happens approximately 90% of the time that a divorce is resolved on irreconcilable differences grounds. However, it's simply not the case that if the parties cannot cooperate and cannot reach a settlement of their property issues, that they can get a divorce on irreconcilable differences grounds. Instead, they must assert a fault-based ground for divorce. Now, typically, this is what we call inappropriate marital conduct, which is sort of a catch-all term for an inappropriate behavior on the part of a spouse in a marriage. There are other grounds for divorce that are fault-based, such as adultery, habitual drunkenness, indignities to the person of the other party, abandonment, and so on and so forth. But generally speaking, the most common fault-based ground is inappropriate marital conduct. If you need to know anything further about divorce or if you want to set up a consultation, please contact my office. You can reach me at 901-388-5190. Again, my name is Lori Holyfield, and I'm an attorney practicing primarily in Memphis and Shelby County, Tennessee.